AI voice technology is changing content creation faster than ever, and ElevenLabs has become one of the most powerful tools for creators in 2026. From YouTube voiceovers to audiobooks, TikTok narration, podcasts, dubbing, and AI voice cloning, the platform now offers a huge range of features for modern content creation. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for content creation step by step. First, open the ElevenLabs website and create an account using your email address or Google account. Once you sign in, you'll enter the main dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll find tools for text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, projects, audio history, and voice libraries. One of the most popular features is text-to-speech. So you simply paste your script, choose a voice, and let ElevenLabs generate realistic narration automatically. ElevenLabs offers different voice styles for different types of content. You can choose professional, cinematic, conversational, energetic, calm, or storytelling voices. And that's your full ElevenLabs guide for content creation in 2026. Hopefully now you have a complete understanding of how creators use AI voice technology to make professional content faster and more efficiently.